Hey guys! So I'm so excited to share this super festive and adorable project that I found on Instagram. It's crazy easy and I think you guys are going to love it as much as I do. Hi guys, I'm Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you've watched a few of my videos or this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, hitting the like button helps the algorithm and it supports my channel. So let me show you this. This is so cute. It's a little boot with candy. So here's what you'll need: tissue paper, a paper or foam cup, some ribbon. I also used a Christmas luggage tag and candy. You can even switch it up and add gift cards or money for a fun surprise. The best part, I got everything from the Dollar Tree, so it's super budget friendly. So here's how I made it. I started with 2 sheets of red tissue paper and 2 sheets of any other color. I scrunched up the 2 colored tissue paper into a ball to create the front of the boot. Taping the tissue paper to the cup made it so much easier to hold everything in place. Total game changer for me. Then I wrapped the whole cup with red tissue paper to give it the classic boot shape. To make it pop, I added a ribbon around the top of the boot, which gave it that extra bit of dimension and made it look more boot-like. It's seriously so cute. So for the final touch, I filled it up with some chocolate, some candy canes, and just miscellaneous little candy. But you can totally customize it with any other treats, goodies, and even a gift card. If my kids were still in elementary school, I'd 100% make these as a little gift for their classmates. It's such a fun and thoughtful and affordable way to spread holiday cheer. So what do you guys think? Is this something that you guys would make? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give me a thumbs up so I know you liked it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.